The HJP and HJB series screw-to-connect high-pressure quick couplings are expertly designed to meet ISO 14540 standards, delivering secure, leak-free connections for torque wrenches and other bolting tools. Constructed from durable carbon steel materials, the HJ series ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. The HJP series features a poppet valve, while the HJB series offers a ball valve option, suited for older applications. The screw-to-connect design provides a strong, secure connection that withstands high pressure and heavy loads, minimizing the risk of accidental disconnection. Contact us now to learn more about our products.